Today's video, we're going to be working on this S2000. It's just come in for some light restoration work. We're going to be stripping the underside, resealing it, priming and underseal on there. We've also got a little bit of rust work to do around the back arches, which I'll take you around to show you. So where we're at with this, we've stripped the paint on the underside. It's been primed. We've stripped some of the paint around the back here. That's been primed, ready for paint. And now we're just attacking the patches. We've got a little bit of work to do on these sill ends. There's some areas that we've treated that the rust was only on the surface. As you can see, I've started making a patch here. We've struggled to find patch panels for it, or repair panels. So we're just going ahead and making them. I've put this on at the moment, but the inside is slightly bad as well, you'll see. So we've got to do a repair on the inside. Luckily, it's only in this short area that matches the outer repair, so that'll make it a lot easier. Right, it's been a few days since I spoke to you. We've been working on putting in the arch panels and the inner sill. I've fabricated all the panels. I've finished on this side, and now I've got to move on to the other side, where I've got to still strip out some rust, do some rust prevention stuff, paint the back sides of the new panels, and it will go on to Tom once I've welded it all in, and it'll get painted.
What I'm doing over here is I whipped off this cam cover, as I think you guys saw, and just did a bit of paint stripping, you know, cleaning it up nicely. I'm just currently masking it up, ready for some like high temperature epoxy primer, and then we'll paint this as well. Probably gonna paint this in a nice Honda red and get this in black, all kind of like crinkle paint on it. We sand that back, polish it up nicely so it all looks brand new and just looks good, really. There's not much to it. It's just a case of getting all the old stuff off and masking it up nicely. That's all there really is to it. So the valve cover has now been painted. I'm just waiting to put that back on the car. The underside has been stripped. We've epoxied it. We've scuffed up the epoxy, seam sealed, done a lot of masking up. And as you can see on this stuff on my face, I've done the first coat of the underseal and she's looking great. Just gonna put about 2 more coats on, make sure it's nice and thick, all well protected. So yeah, it's going really well, to be honest. Chris has finished up the welding. So probably in the next few days, I'll get it painted and that will be that. Yeah, there's not really much more to say on this, really. We're really in the final stretch, so it's good to see. I've epoxied it, sanded that, primed it, sanded that. It's all masked up, ready to go. We're about to put some base coat on it here, as you can see. And it's really, yeah, we're at the end of the road now. I'm gonna put some of the clear coat on it afterwards. This is my favorite stuff to use. I think it's brilliant. Using my new gun as well, so it's all very exciting. Got the new SATA in, which I bought the other day. So yeah, let's get cracking. So there you go, that's the S2000 done and painted for you guys. We have a few small bits to do, like blend in some under seal on the bottom of the sill area. But apart from that, it's all finished. We got the tintable Cobra up here actually, so I'll do that once that's out the booth. But yeah, thanks for watching guys, cheers.